Hi guys, Adrian the Porsche Lover. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for a Thailand Walkie Talkie and teach you guys how to set up the walkie for your drives to Thailand. As usual, we'll start with a response check. So my today is a beautiful Cartier tank solar bead. So this is a very iconic design by Cartier and was designed by Louis Cartier back in the 1920s, modeled after a modern day tank. So this design has actually stood the test of time. It's more than 100 or so and still has looked as good as before. So in this latest and modern reincarnation of the tank, this is actually solar powered as the name implies, and it's quartz. At the same time, the battery is rated to last up to 16 years, so you can get a lot of wrist time before you can do it. And what is more interesting about this watch is that these solar panels or solar cells are actually in the Roman numerals itself instead of the entire dial. So Cartier actually did a lot of research, did a lot of R&D to actually make the solar panels as small as possible and efficient as possible. Of course, you get the classic tank look with the blued hands, the white dial, lovely watch. At the same time, actually preferred this over the previous generation, the tank solo, because the brand cards, which is the side profiles, actually looks way better and more polished. At the same time, it's actually very thin. Usually can't be that thin unless it's a manual winding, but yeah, beautiful watch. And this watch also comes on the non-animal leather strap, but today I actually swapped it up for an aftermarket brown leather strap. Alright, back to the topic at hand for today. So as you can see, I've laid out all the walkies here. So these walkies are actually going to set up for the Porsche Club Malaysia Dotti Drive of the Year to Thailand in the next couple of days. But in the meantime, I thought I would make a video to show you how to set up the walkie as well. So a bit of backstory about walkies in Thailand. So walkie-talkies in Thailand are actually illegal. If let's say you bring an external walkie-talkie there, you need to have a permit first before you can bring a walkie in. Otherwise, you'll be liable to a fine and jail time, which I don't highly recommend, especially if you're traveling to Thailand for a holiday and pleasure. So yeah, and they last time the only walkies that are allowed or legal in Thailand are the red walkies, which are the normal conventional walkies. To be honest, those have not too good range reception. And of course now we have the new walkies, the digital walkies, where these digital walkies you can actually put a SIM card in and it works on data. Think of it as an Android phone, and the thing is that it has the walkie app. Another question I get a lot is that why don't I use a walkie app like Zello app? So main difference is that because with Zello app, you don't have this item here. So actually I unboxed the walkie here, you can see. It doesn't have this PTT button here, which is push to talk. So this push to talk is actually, the sound is actually due to the fact is that it's locked. This PTT button, when you press it, you can straight talk to the thing already. But with Zello app, you actually have to reach to the screen and press the button manually, and that could be dangerous while you're driving. Walkie-talkie I'm going to talk about today is the Super Talkie 4G. I'm going to unbox it and show how to set up the walkie for the first time usage, and also how to set up channels or groups. So this walkie is actually sold by True, and you can walk in to selected True shops to buy this. Alternatively, you can actually buy it from the online Shopee or Lazada store. It retails for 2,000 baht if I recall correctly, which is around $52-53 US. So you can shop online and see where you can get the best deal for this walkie. At the same time, you will also need to get a prepaid card as well to activate the walkie app for the first time. Let's say if you want to use the walkie app without a prepaid card, you can use it later. You can use your mobile hotspot and then hotspot to this thing. So as long as data, this walkie app can actually be used. Box it right now, so let me open this up. So you can see the only seal is right here, which I'm going to unseal it. Okay, so open it up. What you get, as you can see, is a walkie in a plastic. Let me remove this. Other things in the box you will get will be your usual manuals, quick start guides, warranty and everything. And here we have the charger, the brick charger, the earphones. Yes, later I'll show you why it's important. A holster clip which you can clip to the back of the walkie, the battery, and also the charging cable. So yeah, let's move ahead and open up this. So first thing first, let's pop in the SIM card and battery for the walkie. Here we go. Okay, so this SIM card is a brand new SIM card which has just been bought. So we open up here and see. Okay, so here we go. So usually use the smallest one and push it right here. You can see here. Okay. Alright. Next up, we will insert the battery and power up the walkie-talkie. So the battery is right at the bottom here. So let me remove this out first. And here we go, the battery. Okay. So the battery terminals at the bottom here, slot it in. And this cover is very easy to put back, just snap it back in. And to power up the walkie, oops, let me remove the sticker first. Sticker removing. And press and hold the red button. Okay, so we up. So first thing is to unlock the thing. Alright, so as you can see, we're going to go for English, select. Yes, oops, select. Here we go, yes, down, 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 down. All the way down, press accept. Okay, so you can see here, a very simple phone. Just to remind you guys, this is not a touchscreen, alright? There's many times we also use a touchscreen. This is just a normal display, LCD display, and a nasty one at it, but doesn't matter, at least it does its job. Okay, the first thing before you need to set up everything is to actually connect to the Wi-Fi first. So you go to menu, down to settings, Wi-Fi, on. Okay, let's search for the Wi-Fi. Okay, here we go. I actually have a mobile hotspot for my phone. Click in. Alright, let me key in the password. Yes, this is very reminiscent of my Nokia 3310 012. Oops, I'm not used to the phone. 12. Oops, very nasty. I tell you what, let me key in this thing first, then I will fast forward the video. Okay, after many attempts, I finally keyed in the password already. Okay, well, let's say I'm gonna click connect here. Alright, so it's connecting to the Wi-Fi already. So I go back to the Walkie app. Okay, which is the middle one, the red one, True Push app. So press this one in. Okay, so first thing we need to register the Walkie app first. So you go to register. Okay, verify by phone number. Okay, for phone number, we will key in using the SIM card number, which is over here. Okay, so I already keyed the SIM card number already. So next will be to go to press get SMS. Verify, yes, okay. So wait for the SMS, which hopefully will be soon. Verify code sent, okay. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll fast forward the video, don't worry. Oh, here we go, 6807, the PIN number. Okay, let's put in the PIN number here, 6807. And press OK. So you will verify right now. Okay, we move on to the next step, which is to register an account. So this is setting a name. I'll put TPL, the Porsche Lover. This is a quick one. It's in Thai. Okay, let me set to English. TPL. Oh goodness, very nasty. It's okay, I'll just leave it be. You can change that one later. Next one, we go to the password. Set password. Minimum is 6 characters. I always put numbers lah, just in case lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next one as well. Change to numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Agree the policy and register. Okay, so registered, yes, all good. Next up, we will set up the thing and relog in again. Okay, so over here, you need to go back. Okay, so right here, we use back the password that we just registered. Okay, so I change to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very important, please put remember password, because why? Let's say if you forget the password, it will still automatically log in the phone, so it's very easy for you. Remember password, press login. Okay, here is the main app for the Walkie itself. So let's say for example, you exit the app itself, you press back. Also remember to put auto lock-in when launched. So and then you don't need to remember the password, it will auto do everything. So I press OK. So right now the app is closed already. Let's say I reopen the PTT app again. Go back in straight. Oh, easy peasy. Alright, so the next step is actually to change your details, everything. So you can go under options here at the bottom here. Again, not touchscreen. So press this button here. Press here. Okay, and we go for account. So you can change all your name here, picture here, so you can do everything here. So next one, we will see how to set up a group. Let's say if you're growing a group of 3, 4, 5 cars or even more. I can't remember what's the limit for this, but I think reckon it's quite a lot. So we go to group here. Okay, At the same time, we will create a group. Options, group menu. Okay, create group. Alright, so again, group name, you can put everyone. So I just put a quick one. It's Thai again. Yeah, defaults to Thai, so I just put English. TPL, the Porsche Lover. Alright, group password. Okay, again, simple. I just put a number, so it's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 4 numbers, sorry, 4 digits only. Okay, so this option you can see here, public can be searched. So what it means that, let's say for example, if you want this group to be private and can't be searched, so you leave it unchecked. So let's say if you checked it, means that anybody can actually search for this group chat. So in this case, I want it to be private because it's a private drive with the guys only. So I press OK, and there we go. We have that. So you can see here the group. Currently, there's only one person, which is myself. So later, I will show you how to link it to the other phones, to the other walkies, so you can actually talk and communicate via all the walkies. Okay, so now I'm going to link the walkies in the same group chat. First thing is to select the TPL group chat, which I just created. Press enter. Wow, Thai accent. I really feel like I'm in Thailand, really. Sawadee Krap. Okay, so next we go to options, group options, group detail. So you can see here there's a QR code. So now pick up the other walkie right here that I have. Oh, so you can see, okay, the walkie is actually not dead. You need to unlock the walkie. So how you do that is to press this button followed by the hash button. Very old school. No face ID or fingerprint scanner right here. So I go to the app as well here. Alright, go to options. Again, group menu. I'll go to scan QR code. So I'm going to scan the QR code right now to link it together. I'll put it here as well. Okay, let me put in the QR code. There we go. Oh, password. Password will be 1234 as I mentioned earlier. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Press OK. Okay. There we go. I'm already in the TPL group chat. As you can see, I already joined the TPL group chat already. Just press enter. So you can see here, there are 2 users. So this walkie is car number 11 because we have quite a few cars going to Thailand this round for the Porsche Club Malaysia Dotti. So you can see it here. Let's test and see whether the walkie works. Test 1, 2, 3. Hello, Sawadee Krap. Alright, it's working very nice. So let's say another cool thing about this is that you can actually look back at the previous chats where they actually record the chats itself. So you can see all the group message, everything is here. You can see you can replay the messages. At the same time, you can actually type messages, but I don't recommend it because the keyboard is just nasty, not a touchscreen. Going back to the early 2000s where my Nokia 3310 days. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a sub to the channel will be highly appreciated. So yeah, that concludes the unboxing, the setup and how to use the walkie-talkie for Thailand, specifically the True Super Talkie 4G right here that I have in my hand. And yeah, before I go off, I'd like to hear the TPL word one more time. Let's drive to Thailand as soon as possible, guys. Alright, so if any other questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And let's say if you have anything else, of course, you can also PM or WhatsApp me as well. I'll leave all the links down below. And meantime, stay safe, have a blessed week ahead, and drive safe. Take care, guys. Bye.